Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clean the buzzer, which is the internal sound speaker on the Samsung Galaxy A36 smartphone. To begin this process, we will need... You will want to use a square brush exactly like this one, featuring bristles that are a bit stiffer and measure about 2 centimeters long. Our specific brush comes from a comprehensive set like this, so if you find that you need one, you can easily buy such a set for yourself. If not, you can certainly use a standard toothbrush, but just make sure it is medium or soft. Otherwise, you might accidentally scratch the delicate surface of your phone. In addition to those items, you'll also need a bottle of high-quality isopropyl alcohol, which we'll use to thoroughly spray down both the surface of the phone and the bristles of the brush, so that all of the accumulated dirt and grime can be easily removed from the buzzer. So go ahead and spray it very thoroughly all over. Then take your phone in your hand, and right here we have the buzzer component, which is the main sound speaker for the device. Now, by carefully moving the tool to the right, we proceed to clean it thoroughly about 20 times in one single direction. After that, we repeat the same process in the other direction, maintaining a very steady and consistent motion throughout. You should avoid quick, jerky movements, not like this, or like this, or like this, but instead, keep it just steadily moving, because otherwise the cleaning process simply won't work as intended. So, please remember to do it about 20 times in each direction. This ensures that the cleaning is truly effective, leaving the phone completely clean and working perfectly, just like it was when it was brand new. After the procedure, set the phone aside for 10 to 15 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate. This way there won't be any strange marks on the phone, and you'll have a phone that's working and ready to use. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And see you in the next video.